Welcome back. So we have discussed about the neighbors of India so far, and three important lines about these three important lines you should know. One is Radcliffe line. You know Radcliffe line. It is the boundary between. It is the boundary between Parag. Can you tell me? Radcliffe line is the boundary between. Yes, you can message. Yes, the Dhanya is messaged. Yes, already Dhanya is messaged. I want Parag to answer. Purnachandra Hegde, yes. India and Pakistan all have answered. So Radcliffe line is the boundary line between India and Pakistan. Then Durand line is there. No, it is the boundary between which two nations? Answer fast. Yes. Durand line. Purnachandra Hegde. Yes, Ambika. Yes. Spell the answer fast. Yes, Rachita. Yes, Tanvi, Afghanistan. Yes, Chinmay Naik, Shreyas, all have answered. Very nice. Parag. Yes, Shreya, but yes, very good. So the correct answer is Durand line. It separates India and Afghanistan. Actually, Pakistan and Afghanistan are Pakistan and India are separated from this Durand line. Pakistan and India, both of them are separated from Afghanistan by this Durand line. Remember this. Even Pakistan is also separated from Afghanistan by this line, Durand line. Okay. So next one is McMahon line. It separates India and it is the boundary line between. Yes, tell me very fast. Purnachandra Hegde. Purnachandra Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. McMahon line separates India from
China.
Yes, your answer is correct. Okay. So China, Radcliffe, India, Pakistan, Durand, India, Afghanistan, McMahon, we have India and China. Then after that, next question is, as of now, how many union territories do we have? Who will answer me? How many union territories we have as of now? Eight. Eight we have. Yes, Purnachandra Bhatt, 8. Vindhya, 8. Sandesh, 8. Yes. Pranav Bhatt. Akash Kamath, Shashank, 8. Very good. Shreya Bhatt. Shreya, can you talk to me?
Yes, Mataji.
Which is the new union territory formed?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, yes. Next, who will answer me? Purnachandra Bhatt. Are you there? Shreya Bhatt says that it is Jammu and Kashmir. Purnachandra Bhatt. Tanvi, National Capital Delhi. Okay, National Capital Territory Delhi is not the newly formed union territory. In the year 2020, very recently, this change is done. Actually, up to 2020, we had 9 union territories. Yes, which is the new union territory formed. Jammu and Kashmir. Nandan also says that it is Jammu and Kashmir. Yashaswini, do you have any information about this?
Jammu and Ladakh.
Ladakh. You say that it is Ladakh. What about Vaishnavi Aregde? Vaishnavi?
Mataji, yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me.
Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli are combined
Yes.
union territory.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So Diu, Daman and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, they were two separate union territories till 2020. Okay. So now what happened? Dadra and Diu Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, they are merged and now it is called a single union territory. That's why now we have 8 union territories up to 2020, including Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. We had 9 union territories, but now as Diu, Daman and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, they are joined, no, they are merged, no, we have 8 union territories. Okay. Now, Pranav Hegde, which is the largest state of India?
Rajasthan is the largest of India.
Rajasthan. Before Rajasthan, which might be the largest state of India? Do you know, Pranav Hegde?
Maharashtra, I think.
No, it's not Maharashtra. Yes, Medini? Gujarat, no, it's not Gujarat. Prerana, do you know? Prerana? So it is not Gujarat. Actually, it was Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh was the largest state of India. But in 2005, what happened? Uttar Pradesh was divided into two states. Uttarakhand. Okay, now we have another state, no? Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, actually, it was the part of Uttar Pradesh. So, before 2005, Uttar Pradesh was the largest state. Then, when Uttar Pradesh was divided into Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, now Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa, very good. Goa is the smallest state of India. Okay, 28 states we have, no? Which is the newly formed state of India? Tanvi? Tanvi? Yes, you message very fast. No, I can't follow your message. Chinmay Naik, all have messaged me. Yes, everybody's answer is Telangana. Correct answer. So, very good. Telangana is the newly formed state of India. Totally, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay. Yes, one important point I have missed. That is the northernmost point of India. I have told you about southernmost point of mainland of India and southernmost point of India, but I did miss what? The northernmost point of India. Do you know which is the northernmost point of India? You can message me. Yes, you have started messaging. Indira Kohl. Yes, Pranav's answer is correct. Ankit's answer is correct. Indira Kohl. Chaya. Yes. Purnachandra Hegde. Yes. Very good. Yashaswini. Yes, the correct answer is Indira Kohl. Let us see where is Indira Kohl located once. Please go for the map. Next, yeah, this map. See here, Kanyakumari, Indira Kohl to Kanyakumari. Can you find the northernmost point there, Indira Kohl? So this Indira Kohl, it is not located in Pak occupied Kashmir. Okay, Pak occupied Kashmir. ಈಗ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವೇ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಕ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ UNO ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಕೋಲ್ is shown as the northernmost point of India. You can see the extent, north to south extent, which is 3,214 kilometers, right? 3,214 kilometers of north to south extent from Indira Kohl to Kanyakumari. So this is northernmost point of India and southernmost point of mainland of India. Okay. Yes. So here we have discussed almost all points of the lesson. You have even seen the video also. 2 videos I have sent. I hope you will remember whatever we have discussed and whatever you have seen in the video also. So writing the question and answers, I leave it as homework for you. No difficulty is there. So only one question I think, that is write a short note on the frontier of India. Here you have to write frontier. What is the meaning of frontier? Do you know? Maybe frontier means boundary. Okay, gadi. Frontier andre gadi anta. Natural boundary as well as the nations with which we share our boundary. For that I will give you the answer. Other questions are very easy that we have to write. Give the latitudinal and longitudinal extent, very easy question. Northernmost point of India, name India's neighboring countries. Yes, all these questions are very easy. Only question number 4 in Roman number 2, that I will give. For others, you have to write the answer in your fair notebook. That is your homework. By today evening you complete it. I will call the names in the group at 6 o'clock. Be ready. Okay. So again, I want to finish the lesson with one note. Whatever we have discussed now in today's class, they are very important not only for your SSLC examination, whatever competitive examination you write, no, examinations you attend, no, in all the examinations, one or the other question you will get from this lesson. Hope you will remember. So let us end the class here today, children. Thank you very much.